In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Softr and Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have your Softr workspace connected to Google Sheets so you can pull data into your apps and keep everything in sync. Before we start, it helps to be logged into the Google account that owns the spreadsheets you want to use and to have any pop-up blockers temporarily disabled for a smoother authorization flow. Begin inside your Softr workspace on the application's dashboard. From here, head to the integrations area. This is the central place where you link external tools to Softr so your app can securely exchange data without manual copy-paste. Once you're in integrations, choose Connect New. You'll see a catalog of available services. Select Google Sheets. This tells Softr which service you're connecting and prepares the secure handshake between your Softr account and Google. Next, click Continue. Softr will redirect you to Google's secure sign-in and consent screen. Choose the Google account you want to link. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're selecting the one that holds the spreadsheets you plan to use in Softr. This avoids permission mismatches later. After selecting your account, click Continue to grant access. You'll see that Softr is requesting permissions to view and manage spreadsheets and store files created by the integration. These permissions allow Softr to read your data, write updates from forms or automations, and create new sheets when needed. If this is for work, consider using your organization's account for cleaner ownership and auditing. When the authorization completes, you'll land back on Softr's integrations page. You should now see Google Sheets listed as connected. If you're prompted to finalize the connection or you want to link an additional Google account, click Connect New again and then continue to complete that flow. This is helpful if your data lives across separate accounts, such as a shared team drive and a personal workspace. At this point, the integration is active. From here, you can use your connected Google Sheets as a data source throughout Softr, referencing them in lists, charts, and forms to display, capture, and update information. If anything didn't appear as expected, verify you're using the correct Google account, confirm you have access to the target spreadsheets, and ensure your browser didn't block the consent window. You can always revisit the integrations page later to review, connect another account, or remove access if needed through your Google account security settings. That's it, your Softr and Google Sheets integration is set up and ready to power your app.